So perseverance means staying here. I knew, okay. So the thing that made me to be unable to reach to be healed of these chronic diseases, which look like it cannot be healed, the syphilis of cars and asthma, diseases which were really firm foundation, and I was here. The thing that made me to get salvation is perseverance. Because truly I got late. I was being counseled every time. But then the problem was there. The Lord enabled me. I said, if it's dying, let me die here. So through that perseverance, and that counseling, and that perseverance, today I have my life. Hallelujah. I can tell God thank you. I can tell the God of the founder thank you. You gave me perseverance like that brother. Hallelujah. 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 Hallelujah.